2-in-1 cable specifically designed to charge and synchronize Apple Lightning products. Sturdy aluminum connector backs up files, downloads music and transmits photos with optimal speed. Nylon braided cable is tangle-free and flexible for best portability. Less prone to wire breakage. One convenient cord for use at home, office and car. 10-foot length keeps phone handy while charging. Compatible with iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, 6, 6 Plus, 5S, 5C, 5, iPad Pro, Air 2, Air, 4, iPad Mini 4, Mini 3, Mini 2 Retina, Mini, iPod Touch 6th Gen, 5th Gen, and iPod Nan 7. Top reviews from the United States. I thought it was great, but it stopped working. The length is what I liked the most. Many charger cords are much shorter. Unfortunately, it stopped working.